John.
Okay.
You know the first day.
Playing is playing.
Next week, Monday.
Hey guys. Lick your lips. It's
So
okay.
you don't have to take a week
Country
off from
club.
spring break and then take a week off to get your tonsils out.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And I'm here to eat a liver. It's an artichoke heart. Whatever it is, I'm about to dip it in some ranch and call it a day.
Artichoke hearts are good. Try it. Try it without ranch.
Here you go.
Are they good for you?
Artichoke heart is what she's.
Artichoke hearts? Oh yeah.
Let me smell it. Let me smell it.
It is.
Wait.
Yeah, I grew up eating those.
They
so
smell
we would buy it in a
good.
jar, pickled
Right, right?
artichoke. Me and Daddy sit on the couch watching TV eating it.
Pickle artichoke.
Yeah.
You and Daddy ate it?
Me and my daddy.
Oh. Eat the whole thing.
Hold on. Take half of it, and I'm gonna eat the other half.
What is this?
Eat it.
I like sucking it. That's all. I don't even like the taste of it.
Use like the juice or something.
Something. Yeah, you got a little something. Ooh, thank you.
Is it good?
Whatever that is.
So why would you call it?
Comment down below and subscribe.